Right, Kangana Ranaut, who's a candidate in Mandi, as she does campaign in Himachal. We hear that she's been stopped off by people en route while they blocked her off, chanting "Go Back" slogans, asking Kangana to head back and not come into the area. BJP says this is an attack on Kangana Ranaut in Himachal. In fact, the BJP calling this an attack on her convoy. They claim that she was attacked in Lahaul Spiti, convoy attack during campaigning. This is what the BJP has said, but here we're looking at visuals there clearly showing "Go Back" chants against Kangana Ranaut in Spiti.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने आज जिस प्रकार से हमारे काफिले पर जानलेवा हमला किया है और गाड़ियों को रोकने का प्रयास किया गया, पथराव किया, इन सारी चीजों के लिए अगर जिम्मेवार है तो जिला प्रशासन है और मैं सारी चीज की निंदा करता हूं जो हमला किया गया और उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। दोषी के खिलाफ इस मामले में एफआईआर दर्ज करने की दिशा में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी विचार कर रही है और उसके साथ इलेक्शन कमीशन को भी शिकायत करेंगे। मैं निश्चित रूप से इस सारी घटना के लिए दोषी ठहराता हूं तो कांग्रेस पार्टी को, कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार को।
Yes, live for more on that. Piyush, please give us more on BJP's claims that Kangana Ranaut's convoy was attacked. We see visuals coming in of "Go Back" chants by the people of Himachal in Spiti.
Well, Abhinav, what we are now given to understand is that Kangana Ranaut was campaigning in Lahaul Spiti of Mandi constituency of Himachal Pradesh, and while she was in Kaza area of Lahaul Spiti, she, along with the former Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and BJP's by-election candidate Ajay Thakur, all of them were shown black flags, and we also heard Kangana Ranaut "Go Back" slogans. Those were made allegedly by the Congress party workers. What we are now learning from BJP side is that BJP claiming that stones were pelted at the convoy of these leaders, and thanks to the security personnel who were present there, that they were safely evacuated from that particular area. BJP is also claiming that many BJP workers have now got injured, and that is why BJP is moving to Election Commission, will ensure that an FIR is registered against these Congress workers. So we are now seeing the poll violence being reported from Mandi constituency of Himachal Pradesh, where Kangana Ranaut, along with former Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and BJP's by-election candidate Ajay Thakur, were campaigning in Kaza area of Lahaul Spiti. As of now, the Congress party has officially not reacted on this, but the visuals have come in where the Congress workers are seen raising Kangana Ranaut "Go Back" slogans. Former Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has now said that they will certainly move Election Commission against this and will ensure that FIR is registered in this case.
Thanks very much for joining us on that, Piyush.